Guys, stick around. We are introducing our parents in this video.
Yes, we are. Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak, guys.
Yes.
Today we had a wonderful day with the family. My parents were here and Tauseef's parents were here. His sister was here and we had a great time.
Yeah.
Awesome food. And my son, Lukman, had just like the best time. He loves having his family over and having everyone together.
So we thought we should come up with 5 things that you should know about Eid in this video.
That's a good idea.
Yes. There are only 2 Muslim festivals, Eid and Eid.
2 days there we take off,
Yeah.
basically.
And we get restricted holidays in office as well. Yeah.
One is Ramadan Eid, where we fast for 30 days, and the other one is Bakrid, where we have the sacrifice.
Eid Mubarak, guys.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Lukman wants candle. Today was Bakrid.
Bakrid, yes. Although this year we did not technically have a sacrifice because of the lockdown.
So during Eid, we get something called Eid Tauseef.
Yeah.
Lukman, two cakes. What do you have to say? Say thank you.
Eid is usually some sort of gift, like money or a small gift that the elders in the family give to someone younger. It could be a husband giving to a wife. But honestly, my wife has put this rule. She says that the Eid that I give her should be something that cannot be bought and should still be given. So this is the condition that she has put.
That's the inspiration I gave you, Tauseef.
I've been struggling for 8 years without a solution for that one. Hey, wait. I think out of the 8 years, one of the years I did take you to Georgia after Eid.
So the Georgia trip was Eid.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I mean, I still technically had to buy tickets, but at
Shilpi
least it
and
was
Pranjal, what do you have to say about that?
yeah, they were friends who joined us on the trip. Yeah.
I forgive you, Tauseef.
Thank you.
You can try, Inshallah, there are many more years to come. So you can try and give me more gifts.
So if any of you have ideas of some things that that cannot be bought but still be given, please in the comments help me out. I've been struggling for
I'm
8 years.
sure there'll be many ideas. Prayer time.
In pre-COVID situations, prayer time is fixed. It's going to be at say 8 o'clock or 8:30 or 7 o'clock in some places or 8:30, and you have to get to mosque fast at that time and pray on time. I mean, if you get late by even 5 minutes, you miss the prayer. But with things being the way it is with COVID, now we don't have a fixed time. It's like anything from 6:30 to 11:30. So we have to coordinate, fix up a time, get 3 or 4 people to come together. And honestly, for us this year was a slight fail. Yeah.
Because we were actually planning to do prayer with his parents.
Yeah.
They were going to come home and we were all going to do prayer together.
And so we got ready, we finished our Eid prayers. It's about almost 11 o'clock. So we are technically we are a little late because people try and finish the prayers earlier in the morning.
Yeah, but we were up, like we finished our morning prayer and then we slept.
Yeah, we finished our Fajr prayers and then we slept and then we woke up again and then that's when we're doing this.
We just got up right before the prayer time, and I mean, my dad called up and I had to tell him that, why don't you come at 10:30 instead of 9:30? And he's like, no, we'll finish prayer and come.
He got the cue. He actually got the cue and
So he
he's
said,
like,
no, we're going to
we'll
finish the prayer and come.
Food!
Food.
But that should actually be number 1. Should we change?
No, we'll keep it at 4 for now.
I can see it. So is that mutton?
Yes.
Yeah. So earlier the
Food becomes a very intrinsic aspect of Eid because that's pretty much what we do, right? We go for prayers, we come back, we eat food.
Mom-in-law, that's the biryani, mutton, kurma, and my mom, that's by me, mutton chop, it's puri.
Muzna, what do you think? Can you eat some more sweet after this?
A little of the chocolate cake. Actually, very interesting. It's the second time I'm tasting something like this.
Misti joy.
Cake and mishti.
Cheesecake. Ande ki mithai.
It's
something here.
Yeah.
So I had lunch, but I couldn't have dinner because I'm
Yeah.
so full.
I had lunch and dinner, both equally done.
Oh, okay. Good job, Tasi.
Thank you. I don't miss Eid days. The amount of time that you spend with family.
I'll take. Okay, and this is my father. He's come. You can say hi. Yes. Say hi.
Okay, now my mother is here. Dad is here.
Hello. This is my sister Tasneem.
Which is a very important and intrinsic part of Eid. We had a lovely time with our family today, and
Loved it to the
loved-
core because you know what generally happens during Eid is that someone in the family is always busy in the kitchen
Yeah.
trying to cook or trying to make all these different dishes. Here, because we had a potluck, it was really nice because since all of us just prepared a few dishes, that meant that we all could just sit
Sit.
and have a good time, have a conversation, which sometimes just becomes so difficult when you want to have good food and you want to have a conversation.
Thank you guys for watching. It was a wonderful day for us. We really had a good time. This Eid was very special, very different from our previous Eids, and we are going to remember this much later in time when we are back to the original practice of meeting everybody and having the entire family turning up at our places. We're going to think of this 1 year where it's just 3 families and just our parents and us sitting together and having a lovely little Eid. Bye.